Hi, I'm Pat Corrigan. I want to check in while Illinois Tech is offline because of COVID-19. I'm a psychology professor and working from home like you. My days go by because I'm able to interact with my wonder dog Zoe. Zoe is a golden retriever and comfort animal. She keeps me happy. She helps me split my days between my teaching responsibilities and my research. I'm currently teaching a class on psychiatric rehabilitation to graduate students. Psych rehab is a philosophy and set of practices for helping people with serious mental illness achieve their life goals. Their goals are just like everybody else. They want to get through education programs, work, find significant others, live in good housing. I'm also very busy on my research. One area I've worked at addresses the issue that people with serious mental illness, people with schizophrenia, for example, get sick and die 10 to 20 years younger than everybody else. And if they're of color, if they're African American, for example, or if they're poor, those rates are even worse. During the last couple of weeks, I've been pretty busy with media, most recently with the Associated Press, dealing with the issue of stigma of COVID-19. The degree to which we paint patients with COVID-19 as bad or lepers or sick is the degree to which we're going to make the stigma worse, and the rest of the population is not going to engage in the conversation. Even worse example is this short-term, brief policy of equating COVID-19 with being Chinese. That's a patent example of racism and suffers all the kinds of sins of bigotry like that. I miss coming to IIT every day and being with my students and fellow faculty and friends. I miss going to 10 West and having a cup of coffee in the morning. I stay active. I think one thing I do that's most important is online video with friends and colleagues. I probably watch TV or I watch the media a bit too much to keep track of the pandemic. But I'm convinced we'll get through this and be back together soon. And hopefully Zoe will be happy and do that with me too. Thanks. Be well. Zoe, sit up. Now.